Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which disease is carried by the same virus as chickenpox L and is common amongst older people? Is it A. Shingles, B. Polio, C. Smallpox, or D. Measles? The answer is A. Shingles.
Shingles, caused by the varicella-zoster virus, is like a sneaky encore performance of chickenpox. After lying dormant in nerve tissues for years, it can resurface as a painful rash. Interestingly, 1 in 3 people will experience shingles in their lifetime, often triggered by stress or a weakened immune system.
Question 2. What is hierographology the study of? Is it A. Ancient Egypt, B. Family trees, C. Sacred texts, or D. Waves? The answer is C. Sacred texts.
Hierographology delves into the fascinating world of sacred texts, exploring their origins, meanings, and cultural significance. This study often uncovers hidden messages and insights within ancient manuscripts, revealing how these revered writings have shaped civilizations and spiritual beliefs throughout history. It's like a treasure hunt for the soul.
Question 3. What would you call a baby clam? Is it A. a poult, B. a lamb, C. a larva, or D. a joey? The answer is C. a larva.
A baby clam is called a larva, and during this stage, it drifts freely in the ocean currents. This tiny wanderer eventually settles on the ocean floor to grow into its adult form. Interestingly, clams can live for over 100 years, making their larval journey just the beginning of a long life.
Question 4. What is the word for a young cat? Is it A. a kitten, B. a cygnet, C. an eyas, or D. a cria? The answer is A. a kitten.
Kittens are born with their eyes closed and remain that way for about 7 to 10 days. During this time, they rely heavily on their sense of smell and touch to navigate the world. Interestingly, all kittens are born with blue eyes, which gradually change color as they mature.
Question 5. Which chemical compounds, responsible for breaking down the ozone layer, were the subject of a 1987 treaty? Is it A. NFCs, B. CFCs, C. OFCs, or D. HFCs? The answer is B. CFCs.
Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, once hailed as miracle compounds for their use in refrigeration and aerosols, became infamous for their ozone-depleting properties. The 1987 Montreal Protocol marked a global commitment to phase them out, leading to one of the most successful environmental agreements ever. Thanks to this treaty, the ozone layer is on track to recovery.
Question 6. In geometry, what is the opposite of an acute angle? Is it A. vector, B. chronic, C. obtuse, or D. integral? The answer is C. obtuse.
In the world of geometry, while an acute angle is sharp and less than 90 degrees, its laid-back counterpart is the obtuse angle, which stretches beyond 90 but stays under 180 degrees. Imagine it as the relaxed cousin at a family reunion, always taking up more space and never in a rush.
Question 7. Which pancreatic hormone works to lower glucose levels in the blood? Is it A. Testosterone, B. Oxytocin, C. Adrenaline, or D. Insulin? The answer is D. Insulin.
Insulin, discovered in 1921 by Frederick Banting and Charles Best, is a hormone that not only regulates blood sugar but also plays a role in fat storage and protein synthesis. Without insulin's balancing act, our bodies would struggle to convert glucose into energy efficiently, leading to conditions like diabetes.
Question 8. On the Internet, what file extension is used for the content of web pages? Is it A. .php, B. .css, C. .js, or D. .html? The answer is D. .html.
The .html file extension stands for Hypertext Markup Language, the backbone of web pages. It was first proposed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. HTML allows users to create structured documents by denoting structural semantics like headings, paragraphs, and links, essentially transforming the Internet into a vast library of interconnected information.
Question 9. Who invented the elevator? Is it A. Elisha Otis, B. Thomas Edison, C. Maxwell Hoff, or D. Marshall Rivet? The answer is A. Elisha Otis.
Elisha Otis revolutionized vertical transportation in 1852 by inventing the safety elevator, which featured a groundbreaking braking system. This innovation made skyscrapers feasible and transformed urban landscapes. At the 1854 New York World's Fair, Otis dramatically demonstrated his invention by cutting the elevator's cable mid-ride, showcasing its safety to an astonished crowd.
Thanks for joining our science and nature quiz. We hope you had a blast, like a supernova. Until next time, stay curious and keep evolving. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.